In this video, we will study types of chemical reaction, as well as reaction mechanism, types of chemical reaction and reaction mechanism. First of all, we will study types of chemical reaction. There are different types of chemical reaction. Substitution chemical reaction. Second, addition chemical reaction. Third, rearrangement chemical reaction. And fourth, elimination chemical reaction. Rearrangement chemical reaction, or simply we say rearrangement reaction. First we will study substitution chemical reaction. Substitution chemical reaction are of different types. Free radical substitution chemical reaction. Second is nucleophilic substitution chemical reaction. And third is electrophilic substitution chemical reaction. Now we study their examples. First example, methane with chlorine in presence of sunlight. Gives CH3Cl and HCl is liberated. This is the example of substitution chemical reaction because hydrogen of methane, H atom of methane, is substituted by chlorine atom, and that is why the reaction is substitution chemical reaction. Second reaction, CH3Br bromomethane with NaOH gives CH3OH methyl alcohol and NaBr is liberated. Sodium bromide, or simply we can say Br is substituted by OH minus. That is why this is also a type of substitution chemical reaction. Third reaction, C6H6 benzene chlorination in presence of AlCl3 catalyst, chlorobenzene is formed. So here also we can say hydrogen of benzene is substituted by chlorine atom. That is why this is also a type of substitution chemical reaction. Another reaction, benzene plus concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Product formed is C6H5NO2, which is nitrobenzene. This is also example of substitution chemical reaction. Now we will study addition chemical reactions. Addition chemical reaction. Addition chemical reactions are also of different types. Free radical addition chemical reaction, electrophilic addition chemical reaction, and nucleophilic addition chemical reaction. To understand addition chemical reactions, let us study some example. First example, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, when reacts with bromine, gives 1,2-dibromoethane. This is an example of addition chemical reaction. Second example, CH3CHO plus hydrogen cyanide will give cyanohydrin product. The product is known as cyanohydrin. This is also the example of addition chemical reaction. Propene plus HBr to bromopropane. So these are some examples to understand addition chemical reaction. Now we will study elimination chemical reactions. Elimination chemical reaction. In elimination chemical reaction, generally atom or group of atoms are eliminated, and that is why it is known as elimination reaction. Let us take example to understand elimination chemical reaction. First example we take 1,2-dibromoethane when it is reacted with ZnBr2. ZnBr2 is removed and the final product obtained is ethene. This is an example of elimination reaction because we can see that the bromine atoms have been removed from the original molecule and we have got a double bond. Here another possibility we have to understand that hybridization changes from sp3 to sp2. How can we speak this? Because carbon here, both the carbons have sp3 hybridization, but here in this case both carbon have sp2 hybridization. Another example, CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide, in presence of alcoholic QH, CH2 double bond CH2 means ethene is formed and KBr and water is liberated. This is also an example of beta elimination reaction. What is beta elimination reaction? Because hydrogen is removed from beta position. This is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. Hydrogen is removed from beta carbon. That is why this is also known as beta elimination reaction. Now one more example to understand elimination reaction. If we have CH3CH2OH alcohol, here it is ethanol. When ethanol is treated in presence of copper at 523 Kelvin, the product obtained is CH3 CH double bond O, that is acetaldehyde. This is also an example of elimination reaction, because when ethanol is heated with copper at 523 Kelvin, we obtain CH3CHO molecule. So here we can study that removal of hydrogen takes place. So during elimination reaction, either atom or group of atoms are eliminated. Now we will study rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction. Let's take example to understand rearrangement reaction. Here we have to remember molecular formula remains same, but only structure differs only in the rearrangement. Means arrangement of, or say simply say rearrangement of atom takes place, and that is why the reactions are said to be rearrangement reaction. Take example of normal butane in presence of AlCl3, it gives isobutane. So here simply we can say that rearrangement takes place, and that is why this is the type of rearrangement reaction. Another rearrangement reaction we can study, but1-in. But1-in. In presence of AlCl3, rearrangement takes place, and but2-in or 2-methylpropene is formed. That is why this is also the example of rearrangement reaction. Now, beside with these reactions, we have to understand that addition chemical reaction and substitution chemical reactions, we have SN1 and SN2 chemical reactions as far as substitution chemical reactions are concerned. So we will study SN1 and SN2 reaction, because the meaning of SN1 reaction is nucleophilic substitution unimolecular, and SN2 means nucleophilic substitution bimolecular. So we will study the example of SN1 and SN2 reaction. If we have tertiary butyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide reacts with OH, it gives tertiary butyl alcohol. And the type of reaction is known as SN1 reaction, nucleophilic substitution unimolecular. Why this is known as nucleophilic substitution unimolecular? Because here in this reaction, the rate is proportional directly to the concentration of substrate, not on the nucleophile but only on the substrate, and that is why it is also known as SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction completes in two steps. SN1 completes in two steps. In first step, carbocation is formed, and in the second step, final product is formed. Now we will study what is SN2 reaction. CH3Br bromomethane with nucleophile OH minus gives CH3OH and Br minus. This example is of SN2 reaction because here rate is proportional to substrate as well as nucleophile. One more thing we have to remember, that nucleophilic substitution bimolecular completes only in one step. There is no formation of carbocation during SN2 reaction. Now we will study different type of mechanism in chemical reactions. Reaction mechanism. Generally, reaction mechanism is of two types. One is free radical mechanism and second one is ionic or polar mechanism. First we will understand free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism involves three steps. Initiation step, second one is propagation step, and third step is termination step. Now we will understand all these three steps by taking example of chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. In the first step, initiation step, Cl2 in presence of sunlight gives two free radical ClCl. This is possible because of homolytic fission of Cl2. As we know, there is electron pair present between two chlorine atoms in Cl2 molecule, and both will receive each electron, that is shown by fish arrow, and we get two free radical Cl. In the propagation step, methane reacts with Cl free radical, gives CH3 free radical, and HCl is formed. This free radical CH3 with Cl2 gives CH3Cl and HCl is removed. Beside with that, few more steps are also going on in this propagation step. Means few more reactions are taking place in propagation step. But after some time, because of the consumption of the reactant, termination takes place. So in termination, we can understand different type of reaction takes place, and if two methyl free radical joins, then they can produce ethane. Free radical Cl and Cl can give Cl2, as well as we can understand the production of CH2Cl2 during termination reaction. Now another reaction mechanism is ionic or polar mechanism. An example of polar substrate AB gives A plus and B minus. So A plus is attracted by nucleophile and B minus is attracted by electrophile. Ionic mechanism, all polar mechanisms are of two types. One reaction completes in two steps and second completes in one step. If we have alkyl halide, say Rx in presence, if it produces R plus and X minus, say carbocation is formed during the first step, which is slow step also. Once more, alkyl halide in the first reaction, slow step, produces carbocation X minus and R plus with another nucleophile produces RNU. Then we can say that the reaction completes in two steps, and this is also known as SN1 reaction. This is known as SN1 reaction. Same way, alkyl halide Rx in presence of nucleophile, attack of nucleophile takes place and direct product is obtained RNU plus X minus. Here we can say no formation of carbocation. Means we can say in this reaction carbocation is not going to form and direct product is formed. That is why this is completed within only one step. So once more we have two different type of reaction mechanism, free radical mechanism and second one is ionic mechanism.